welcome to the tutorial for our new strawberry moss coaster. Now I am so excited to be sitting here and filming this today because I have wanted to make a strawberry coaster for a really long time. If you're familiar with Craft Club, then you'll know that I'm a big fan of the strawberry designs, and this coaster is honestly a dream come true for me. Now, as you can see, what makes this coaster so special is these adorable little ruby red gems that are sitting inside of our little strawberry patch. What I love so much about this kit is that it's deceptively simple. It doesn't really have that many elements to it, but it relies on all the beautiful texture that the bubbles at the back and that the pipe cleaners bring to make it a stunning piece. As you can see, we actually use two different colors of bubbles at the back here. You can tell we have our warmer green here, and then we have our cooler, more classic green tones here and here. Then we have our flat feather yarn base, followed by adding our little strawberries. Now, these pipe cleaner strawberries were completely designed by myself. I think I tried making every single strawberry pipe cleaner that is possible to make out there, and none of them fit what I wanted. So with a lot of trial and error, I created these so that they would be the perfect piece to nestle into the patch. And then finally, we have tiny little pom-pom details as well. And that is all there is to your beautiful strawberry piece.